Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 1 without the dedicated Rockstar Games launcher. This classic Western adventure, featuring John Marston, has recently become available on personal computers. It brings enhanced visuals and performance to a beloved title. We will explore the various legitimate ways you can dive into this expansive world, ensuring you can enjoy the game on your preferred platform without needing that specific launcher. For those looking to play Red Dead Redemption on PC, the most straightforward method is through established digital stores. You can purchase the game on platforms such as Steam or the Epic Games Store. When you buy it here, you'll use their launchers to access the game, effectively bypassing the standalone Rockstar Games launcher application. While a Rockstar Social Club account is typically still linked, your primary interaction will be with your chosen storefront. Another excellent option to play without any local launcher is through cloud gaming services. Platforms like Boosteroid allow you to stream Red Dead Redemption directly to your computer, tablet, or even smart television. This means no downloads, no installations, and no need for a powerful local machine. For the best experience, ensure you have a robust internet connection, ideally around 15 megabits per second or higher, to enjoy smooth, high-quality gameplay. When choosing how to play, consider your setup. If playing directly on your PC, check that you have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM and 12 gigabytes of storage space. For cloud gaming, a reliable internet connection is paramount to avoid lag. Regardless of your method, always acquire the game through official channels like Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar's own store. This ensures you receive legitimate copies and support the creators of this incredible Western saga.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.